Hey guys, this is Jeff Jones, a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this short video, we're going to take a look at 5 reasons why the Formuler GTV is worth every single penny that you can put into it. Let's take a look. Hey guys, I am back. Thank you so very much for tuning into this video. If this is your first time on our YouTube channel called The Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you with them one video at a time, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you everybody for loving my channel recently, giving me love. I have a free giveaway coming up this weekend, all the way out into the end of June. I'll be giving away a Formuler Z11 Pro Max for free, so stay tuned to the next video. So let's get into the 5 reasons why the Formuler GTV is worth every penny. Okay, reason number 1 why the Formuler GTV is worth every penny: outstanding picture quality. The Formuler GTV works with HDR10+. It also does 4K very, very well. Because it's made by Google, it is set up to give you a great experience, but also it's manufactured by Formuler. So I'm going to show you really quick. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to look at a search and go down to the 4K 24/7 fireplace. This should show you a little bit of the quality that you're looking at. Very clean, very concise, it's very, very nice. I'm going to exit that and go to another 4K one right here. Let's look right here. Is this 4K? Thunderstorm. Here's another one right here. Ultra HD. Let's go ahead and now we're going to have to sit through an ad. I can skip. You can see how clear the ad is and all of that. I'll skip the ad. I just want to see another one in the next 9 seconds. I'll blur this out, and there's another ad. I got 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. I can skip it, and there it is. That's even better, Ultra HD. So that's a very, very good picture. Now, one of the things you're going to love about the Formuler GTV is that it is set up to run very, very well, especially when you have 4K Ultra HD resolution. And also it's coupled with HDR10+. So that's the first reason why. It's the picture quality. The second reason, it's the Android TV experience. The Android TV experience. This is the pioneer of the Android TV experience. Before Google went to Formuler and made this box, I've had this device 5 years. 5 years. Android TV experience was not on any of the other boxes. The Android TV OS is on the 4K on everyone's screaming about. It's on just about every single one of these devices. You know, whether it be a MeCool, NVIDIA Shield. When you have the Android TV experience like this, it makes every device look great. But you got to go back to where it started. And I actually believe, and done the homework, it started, one of the biggest pioneers is the Formuler GTV. Since I've had this box for 5 years, it is my go-to box. Not the Z11 Pro Max, not an NVIDIA Shield. I've tried all of those. But this one I go to time in and time out. Why? Because I have Gmail on everything. I also don't have all the adverts. I have some that are coming from Google Movies and TV, but I have my own way to get TV. As I go down, there's my ESPN Live. I have that. I have something called Sinclair. I have Plex. I have all the recommendations that I want to see. So if I ever wanted to open up Plex and go, let's say to, I don't know here, anything I want to see here, all I got to do is click on that. And because it's completely on the home screen, it's going to open up Plex pretty smooth, right? So having these at your fingertips is excellent. Now I also have Tubi down here. I can go down to my Google Play Store, Sling TV free. I have paid content with Peacock. I have local now, and then I have my Spotify with my music. And that's it. Now, one of the things I love about this is the Android TV platform puts everything in front of you. I mean, if you're at the top, if you want to shop for stuff, you can find titles there. You can see your apps. I can add apps, take apps away. It makes it very easy to navigate and personalize using the Android TV experience or the Android TV OS. And that's the second reason why the GTV is worth every penny. Let's look at it. Reason number 3 is powerful performance. Let me show you what I mean. If I go over to the settings here, I go down the settings. I'm going to go to device preferences and press OK. I'm going to go about. Now you'll see that I'm running the GTV. I'm on Android TV OS version 12. Okay. I also have there's the OS build right there. But what makes this powerful is the speed of the menus. So if I click back, you see how quick that goes? I go to date and time. If I go back, it goes very, very quick. This is why Android 12 makes a big difference, especially when I open up developer options and I change and tweak a couple of things. Man, does it speed up. Okay, it speeds up super quick. I mean, I can go anywhere that I want to do, click on that, click on shop. Everything is moving rather quickly, you know, and this is a powerful performance. The second thing it makes it a powerful performance, of course, Google Assistant. Don't get me wrong. For instance, tell me a joke.
Why was the student's report card wet? It was below sea level.
It was below sea level. I mean, yeah, it's corny, but look how quick it is. I can get out of it, go right back. Another great thing I love about this is it has Chromecast. So if you have, it has Chromecast built in, device preferences. You can go right down to Chromecast and you can go ahead and use your cell phone if you wanted to just get some things or cast some screens or whatever you want to do. And it's already built in for you because it's all built around performance, complete performance. So that is some of the best things that are about it. Again, the performance aspect is going to leave you breathless. And I have owned this box, I like saying it, 5 years. I haven't changed it. Same remote control. These things are built to last. No, it's not a $49 box like the 4K on, but yeah, it's not supposed to be. It's more expensive because the hardware is built to last. I haven't had to change a GTV in 5 years. You can't say that about an on box. It just can't because the hardware is different. So powerful performance. All right, reason number 4 is connectivity options. Connectivity options. The Formuler GTV offers you a range of connectivity options to suit all of your needs. It includes 2 USB ports for external storage devices. In other words, you have a USB 2.0 and you have a USB 3.0. It also has Ethernet port for really a stable wired connection. It's a gigabit Ethernet port, which means it can handle all of the, the top speeds that people like to get and like to see on their device. It's definitely for there. Also, it has built-in connections, better connections for Wi-Fi wireless convenience. So it has internal antennas and it will pick up the Wi-Fi very, very good. Everyone knows should be on 5 gigahertz, not 2.4. But if you had to go back and forth, you could definitely do that. It also ends up with all the Bluetooth connecting peripherals that you need. In other words, I've connected my Bluetooth microphone. I've connected my Bluetooth headphones. I've connected my Bluetooth speakers. Will work on a Formuler GTV. And the funny thing about this, I bring this up now. It's funny how the GTV and the 4K on are similar, But I should say how the 4K on has actually, mimicked the GTV, and that there's a picture up. I will make sure to put a picture up there, but it provides you versatile, more connectivity options. You're going to want options to connect all your devices. You're going to want options that is going to run the best decoding. You're going to want options that are going to connect your surround sound and different things like that. So things that have the best connectivity, that has the best encoder, the Dolby Atmos, all of the Dolby, all of those things. This thing is made for entertainment, not just for watching TV. And again, looks like the on device, which was made by Google, is a little lower level of a GTV, because a GTV is about $120 empty. But man, is it worth it, especially if you can get 5 years like I did out of it. That's worth it. And finally, reason number 5 is enhanced streaming features. My TV Online 2, this app, it offers advanced streaming for IPTV and advanced streaming for even your radio if you have the radio capabilities. This app supports everything for seamless TV, like live TV viewing. In other words, you can record, you can time shift. It's perfect for users who really want to just let it play. All right? Just let it play. Again, I don't buffer on this device. I've never really buffered on this device. I know that has a lot to do with my internet and how I set up things, but it also has to do with the way how the device is made. And my TV Online 2 is a game changer. It is cutting edge for these devices. And so what it does, it gives you a media center in an app. It allows you to set up a DVR, set up a recording, set up the settings so you match the frame rate. If you're running any movies on it, it has the access where you can also match the frame rate of the movie stream. So there's different things from time shifting, pausing live TV, fast forwarding. That is all in My TV Online 2. And when you couple that with everything in front of you, access to the Google Play Store, so you can get other applications, so you can sideload, it makes it a game changer. From my utilities being here, to Pluto, to Local Now, to Tubi, to Plex, everything I have put on here, I don't need to change. And as you can see, I have a lot of different applications because I do a lot of videos. But I like the fact that when I need to go watch TV, I have the best application that Formuler put on this device, My TV Online 2, which is actually an access to having your media set up the way you want. And that is the game changer. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have some different suggestions, maybe you're using a different box, comment below. Tell me in the comments what device you're using and why you think it could be better than the Formuler GTV. I am open to even doing an open box or a video on the devices that you recommend. Like I have NVIDIA Shield, I'll do a video on an NVIDIA Shield. If you have a device that you think is best or better than this, hey, comment below. I'll buy it and I'll do a video on it. And let's see how it compares to some of these formulas. With that said, at the end of the video, there's going to be an option for you to go to one of the best, like one of the websites where we're selling something called the BOXX. It's only $150. So it is, once you see the video, it's absolutely worth it. It's a steal. You can find a video card or a card popping up at the end of the video. Go ahead and check out the couple of videos on that page. If you're interested, you're one of the first people to purchase. It's normally $200. If you're one of the first people that purchase, we will drop the price to $150 and support you the whole way. You're going to love, love, love the entertainment on that box. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.